When your tools cause more frustration than help, it takes the fun right out of detailing.
Now, every time you move around your vehicle, you're limited by your hoses and cords getting caught under the tire. This not only slows you down, but can do some serious damage to the polished paintwork. Detail guards are super simple to use. Just place and push firmly on the outside corner of each tire. Once you place the detail guards under the tire, you won't be frustrated by your tools again. There's 3 locking contact points. This ensures they stay snugly in place. The highly efficient rollers on the back allow for effortless movements. Detail guards are equipped with a line guidance function. It collects loose lines and draws them back onto the rollers. Once you're finished working, just give them a quick twist to release. It's super durable and resistant to all your chemical cleaning products. This ensures it lasts for a long time. Detail guards are available in a wide variety of bold colors.
This is a must-have detailing tool for any serious professional.